Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with HelloSign for purchase agreement signatures step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the HelloSign website. Look for the sign up option and click on it. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, click on the Get Started button. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from HelloSign. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Once your password is set, log in to your HelloSign account. Upon logging in, you will be directed to your HelloSign dashboard. To start a new document, click on the Sign Documents option. Select the Upload button to choose your purchase agreement file. Once the file uploads, you can review it for accuracy. Click on the Add Signatures button to specify where signatures are needed. Drag and drop the signature fields onto the document where required. You can also add text fields, dates, or initials if needed. After placing all necessary fields, click on the Next button. Enter the email addresses of the individuals who need to sign. Customize the message if you wish to provide instructions. Once everything is set, click on the Send button to finalize the process. Your recipients will receive an email with a link to sign the document. Once they sign, you will be notified, and the completed document will be available in your dashboard. Take a moment to review the signed purchase agreement for confirmation. You can download or print the agreement directly from your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.